Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel Cooking Wellness. So for today I am making this rice recipe, a very quick rice recipe with veggies, tomatoes, shredded chicken, 2 eggs and my spices. So firstly I'll just blend the tomato and then I'll go on to fry the sauce. So this recipe, I prepped all these ingredients I had before the morning, and now I just put on my gas, and then I've added oil to my pan, and then I'm adding onion. I'm going to saute this for some time, then I'll add my veggies. The veggies I used here are green, yellow and red bell peppers, and also little carrots. Here I just added my minced ginger and garlic, and I'm sauteing that as well. So now I'm adding my veggies. Isn't that beautiful? So I'll just fry this for a few minutes, for not too long. I'll fry it for just a few minutes. Next I'll just be adding my curry, thyme, seasoning cubes and some salt to taste. Then I'll stir this for some time, and then I'll add in my shredded chicken. Now I'm just adding my shredded chicken. This chicken I fried and used for other dishes before, and this is just the leftover that I shredded. Then I'm going to add in my eggs and I'll fry until cooked. Once this is done, I'm going to be removing the egg, chicken and veggie sauce from the pan before frying my tomato. I don't want the veggies to be overcooked, so I'm going to be removing it. So now I'm just adding my tomato mix, and I'm going to fry this cover to cook completely. So once the sauce is dried like this, the next thing is to add your veggie and chicken sauce. So you just add this and stir to combine. Once it is properly combined, then I'll go in to add my cooked rice. This rice is cooked but a little bit hard, so you're going to just stir this, just mix properly, and once everything is combined, you just have to cover the rice to simmer that way without adding any liquid. Please, you are not to add any liquid in this. This dish was so fast to prepare, I couldn't believe it myself. It was so fast and delicious as well. I really enjoyed this dish. Make sure to try it yourself, and you're going to see how great and delicious this dish really tastes. Now I've just opened my dish, my rice, and it's looking fine, it's looking delicious. Isn't this beautiful? The rice is looking so fine. So yeah, the rice is ready, and after that I'm just going to drop it. And for their snack, I'm going to be making this toasted jam bread. Yes, I'm just spreading the jam on the bread now, and after that I'll go on to toast it. After toasting the bread, I'll just cut into finger size so it will be easy for them to consume in school. So then this recipe, I want you to make time to try it. You will enjoy it, not just for kids alone, for adults and for the whole family as well. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Please like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much, and God bless. Also, I added little banana and garden eggs. Yes, my kids can eat garden eggs, but not really much. I just noticed I don't have enough fruit in the fridge, hence the reason I'm adding garden eggs. Though my kids, they normally eat garden eggs, but it's not one of their best fruits. But what to do? There is no other fruit, so I'm just adding that. So now I'm just covering their food, and they'll be on their way. to school. For myself, I garnished mine with some peppers, green peppers, more red peppers, and yellow peppers. I also added an additional clip for your enjoyment. Guess what? It is the aftermath of the lunch for my kids. Yes, it is one thing to pack food, and it is another thing for them to enjoy and eat it all. As you can see, they consumed all their food. Although the garden eggs were not eating, they only ate 2 of it, 2 were left. But the food, they completely enjoyed it and finished all the food. So I am happy. So that is just it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I love you all. Goodbye and take care.